Hi, in this video we'll be talking about birds. In this video we'll just have a look at a couple of species. And the first species are over here. Here we have a robin. In German this bird is called das Rotkehlchen. Das Rotkehlchen, robin. Then we have a tit. A tit in German is called die Meise. Die Meise. Then there's a finch. In German we say der Fink. Der Fink. And finally here we have a wren. A wren in German is der Zaunkönig. Der Zaunkönig. So let's repeat these four names. Das Rotkehlchen, die Meise, der Fink, der Zaunkönig. Here's some more species. Here we have a blackbird. In German, a blackbird is die Amsel. Die Amsel. Here is a starling. The German name for starling is der Star. Der Star. Next, we have a snipe. A snipe in German is die Bekassine. Die Bekassine. And here we have a sparrow. A sparrow in German is der Spatz. Der Spatz. Now let's repeat these four names. Die Amsel, der Star, die Bekassine, der Spatz. Fine. And now we have a sparrowhawk. A sparrowhawk is der Sperber. Der Sperber. Here we have a thrush. A thrush in German is die Drossel. Die Drossel. Here we have a partridge. A partridge in German is das Rebhuhn. Das Rebhuhn. And finally here we have a quail. A quail in German is die Wachtel. Die Wachtel. Fine, let's repeat. Der Sperber, die Drossel, das Rebhuhn, die Wachtel. Okay, let's go on. A fieldfare. A fieldfare in German is die Wacholderdrossel. Die Wacholderdrossel. And here we have a crane. A crane is der Kranich. Der Kranich. And then comes the big eagle. The eagle in German is called der Adler. Der Adler. And finally over here we have a capercaillie. A capercaillie in German is das Auerhuhn. Das Auerhuhn. Let's repeat. Die Wacholderdrossel, der Kranich, der Adler, das Auerhuhn. And some more. Heron. In German, the name of heron is der Reiher. Der Reiher. Here we have a harrier. A harrier in German is die Weihe. Die Weihe. Next we have a hawk. A hawk in German is der Habicht. Der Habicht. And finally we have a linnet. In German we say der Hänfling. Der Hänfling. Let's repeat. Der Reiher, die Weihe, der Habicht, der Hänfling. Okay, that's it for this video. If you like it, a thumbs up would be great. Also, make sure to subscribe for future videos. If you want to leave a comment or ask a question, you're welcome to do so. Thanks for watching.